this yarn. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it here?
Where?
I think
It's
right.
there. Yeah.
Yung pinuli ni Joem.
Maglakad dito.
Tayo.
Shop a lot. So, let's shop a lot. Yup, candidate number 12. Uy, birthday ko to! Maghanap na kami guys ng red top. Bye! Hi guys, so lilipat kami ng Umayan kasi hindi pasok sa budget
Very
namin.
expensive.
Ay!
Ayan. May one fail.
O, BGC yan.
Alabang!
Okay, tara na.
Parang lahat naman ata ng Umayan may sarili-sariling pangalan.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa second destination. Oh my gosh. Kuyang mahal. Oh, may aircon guys. We're gonna go to the Shop-A-Lot new because this is so expensive. Okay.
Second Umayan.
Wow.
Gusto ko lang maging healthy.
Hi guys! So, nandito kami kumakain ng kwek-kwek at kikiam at fishball. Kasi nagutom kami. Opo, kung hindi mo kami kilala kuya, bibigyan ka pa namin ng isang masigabong palakpakan. 2, 3, go! Woo!